I'll show you how to satisfy the requirements to be able to run Fantasy Character Creator inside of Comfy Image Workshop. Let's take a look at the help page and go through it step by step. First step, install Comfy UI Essentials from the Comfy UI Manager. Let's go to Comfy UI. Step 2, 3, and 4, we'll download all of these at the same time. We are going to have to rename this file. I'll copy this here, and I will rename this file. We will put the Dream Shaper and Proteus in the checkpoints folder. And we will put the LCM LoRa in the LoRa folder. Great. Now that we satisfied the requirements, let's test it out. All right, it works. You are now ready to start generating with Fantasy Character Creator.